Are you interested in data entry work? There are some online companies that you can do that, and I'm going to show you here in this video. But before I get into that, if you're into entrepreneurship and making money online, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you get notified every time I do another video. Also, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make $200 to $500 a week, click the link in the description. Linda Bomba here. I am a full-time entrepreneur, been making money from home. It's almost 11 years now. And I have some videos, some companies here. Now, this is micro tasks. You're not going to make a lot of money with any of these doing data entry. If you want to make something more substantial, I do suggest that you go and look at some offline companies where you'd actually go into their office and do it, because these are not going to make you a lot of money. So let's just get into this. Now, this is the first site. This is Xerox.com. I'm sure you've heard of this company. This company's been around for a really long time. If you want to look at the jobs, click here, search for jobs. And if you come down here, you want to search in here their virtual work program and click search. And at the moment, it looks like they don't have any, but what you can do is you can come back here and check. You can also, if you click on this, I believe they'll let you submit your resume, and if something comes up that you're qualified for, they'll contact you. So if there's nothing on here, then I would go through here. I'd put your name, give them a valid email address, a phone number to text, answer some of their questions, and I would submit this. And you can also come back and check on this alone, because Xerox is a really good company. So this is the first one. Now, the second one is a company called Lionbridge.com. You actually want to go to careers.lionbridge.com because it's going to take you to a page like this. Now, these are a lot of micro tasks again, and you can come down over here, and if you come up here, you click remote jobs. It looks like at the moment they don't have any data entry jobs. You can check out these other ones. These are sorted out by country, so depending if you're in the US, maybe the UK, you can check these out. There's some in Japan. You can also come back to this and see if they get some data entry jobs. Or it looks like there's none at the moment, but this is the second site. Now, the third site, I'm sure you've heard of Amazon. This is their Mechanical Turk program. You want to go to mturk.com, and you want to come in here, and if you're looking to work as tasks, you want to sign up here first. You have to sign up first before you can get an account here, and they will give you, I mean, this is not going to make you a lot of money. These are micro tasks. Amazon's a really good company, but if you feel that this is something that you'd be interested, I would go ahead and sign up for this, and then you can start, or you can come down here and get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. And then this is the requester's account, but really what you want to do, if you want to make money, you want to click Request a Worker Account. And I already have an account with them. I'm not going to log in, but then log in, and then there's different micro tasks you can do. Again, this is not going to make you a lot of money. That's Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, this next site is a site called clickworker.com. This is also micro tasks. If you click here, it'll take you to a page like this. If you want to sign up, click sign up. And these are, again, they're small micro tasks. One of the cool things about this is they do have an app, so you can do this from your phone. Get the app, get an account set up, and then log on over there. So that's the next one. Now, another one I'm going to show you is Microworkers.com. I just want to caution you, some of these sites, they can be scammy. So if they're telling you that they'll pay you $35 an hour to do data entry, none of these are going to pay you $35 an hour to do that. So just be careful. If they start telling you stuff like that, it's probably something you don't want to do. But if you want to sign up for this one, you want to click register. This is microworkers.com. It will take you to a page like this that you'll need to complete this and answer a few questions. They do have an email verification. So make sure you give a valid email address, otherwise you're not going to be able to do this. They want to make sure that you're giving them valid information and you're serious. But this is microworkers.com. Now, the next one is a company called Axion Data Services. They do data entry services. Now, this particular one is only available in the US. So if you're in another country, you're not going to be able to do this. But if you want to check them out, you want to come over here, you want to click employment. It's going to take you over to another page. Now they do tell you scam alert. If you're getting emails like this with AxionData.com, it's a scam. So don't answer it. I would just delete it, or if you want to block them. They do tell you here this is U.S. only. They're also asking you, please do not register in our database unless you have a proven track record of data entry proficiency. So if you haven't done data entry before, this is probably one that you don't want to check out. But if you do have some experience, go ahead, see what they say. And this is AxionData.com. Now this next one, actually that's not a site, is called, you need to go to SigTrack.net. This is also only the U.S. They hire people to process voter registrations and petition signatures. You are going to need a PayPal account to do this, but you can come and you can check this. There are a database application that links grassroots campaigns with crowdsourced data entry freelancers. So you're basically working for them, and then they're sending you to do something for somebody else. If you want to get started, click here. Just click how do I start. Also, you want to ask and find out about how you get paid. You would click this, and then you will need a PayPal. If you want to get started, click this and then sign up. This is pretty basic and straightforward. Again, this is simple stuff. You also need a system, Windows or Mac, and a high-speed internet connection, and if you have both of those, you're good to go. So that's another one. Now, if you're still looking for some more data entry jobs, there's other sites like this, but you can check remote.co. If you click on this remote jobs, if you want to look for a job, you can see they have them broken down by like accounting, finance jobs. There are customer service jobs. Here's some online data entry jobs. There's some other sites like this out there that are, if you're particularly interested in data entry, work from home, you can do a search. They also do some remote companies if you want to check that out. And they give you some more resources here if you want to get more skilled with this. They actually have some career coaching and online resources, but you can come check this out too. So those are the sites that I have. If you found value with this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you do. I'd love to hear from you, and I will see you on the next video.